Is your sofa looking a tad too dirty for your liking? From crumbs to pet hair and dust mites, upholstered furniture can be a magnet for all kinds of dirt. So how do you keep yours look fresh and cozy? The key is to have it cleaned regularly. As a rule of thumb, you should have your upholstery cleaned at least once or twice a year. But there are other factors that determine the best cleaning schedule for your furniture. Let's have a look at what these are, shall we? The first factor is moisture. In Singapore, the warmth and humidity here means your furniture is likely to grow mold and mildew. Frequent cleaning can keep this growth minimal. The upholstery material also plays a part in how often you need to clean it. For instance, synthetic types like polyester and nylon are typically durable and stain-resistant. They can settle for an annual deep clean, but you should still have them vacuumed every week. Meanwhile, natural fibers like cotton and linen are more vulnerable to humidity. They'll need more frequent deep cleaning, at least twice a year. If your upholstery is made of microfiber, it should have a similar cleaning schedule to synthetics. Now what if you have leather upholstery? Genuine leather requires a more delicate touch. It should be dusted weekly and conditioned every 6 months for best results. The same goes for faux leather, even if it's a bit more moisture resistant than the real deal. But you don't have to rely on your schedule all the time. It's also important to check your furniture if it already needs cleaning. You should look for visible stains and obvious dust buildup. Then, try sitting on it if it feels rather damp. Don't forget to smell if it's already musty. Check the fabric for wear and tear too. Fabrics may fade and start pilling, while leathers could have cracks and shedding parts. Additionally, your location also affects how frequently you clean. If you're on the ground floor, your furniture gets exposed to more dust and dirt. Furthermore, if your home is poorly ventilated, then it'll build up dust more quickly too. You should also consider if anyone has allergies or lung issues. You'll have to clean the furniture more often so it has little to no allergens. The size of your household also determines how often you have to clean the upholstery. A small household with 2 to 3 people can have their upholstery deep cleaned every year and vacuumed weekly. For bigger families, a biannual deep clean along with a vacuuming session twice a week is a good start. If you have children, you'll do clean far more frequently, and we mean quarterly deep cleans along with twice weekly vacuuming. The same goes for those who have pets at home. Besides quarterly deep cleans, you need to remove the fur daily and vacuum and deodorize weekly. Households with elderly members will also need frequent deep cleaning, around every 4 to 6 months. Taking care of your upholstery takes dedication. A little routine care goes a long way in protecting your furniture and keeping your home fresh and inviting. If you want to make sure your furniture gets the care they deserve, contact Kung Fu Helper today. Our team is always ready to keep your beloved pieces in good condition all year round.